Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I'm going to be doing a testing video. I'm testing out a non-surgical facelift and Botox alternative, and it is called ZIIP Halo. ZIIP is the only device that uses both nano and microcurrents. This is a sponsored video. I was kindly sent the ZIIP Halo to test out over the last 4 weeks so I can give my honest thoughts and opinions. You get to see what my face looks like before I started using the device. You see me using it for the very first time, and throughout the video you'll see clips of me doing it in the last couple of days or so and showing you where I've noticed differences in my face. So what does nanocurrent and microcurrent mean? Well, microcurrents are the instant effect electrical waveforms that you feel. They work on a muscular level to lift and tone just like a workout, or else nanocurrents are the ZIIP secret superpower that gives lasting results. Feel them as they work on a cellular level to repair and rejuvenate your skin from within. With regular use, you will notice lifted eyebrows, lifted jowls, more defined cheekbones, smoother glowing skin, reduced spot redness as well, which I thought was really great, and improved lymphatic drainage to reduce the puffiness of your face. This is the ZIIP Halo device. It glides effortlessly onto the skin. You get a user guide, a USB-C charging cable, and the conductive gel that you need to apply beforehand. The gel is suitable for all skin types. It's a gentle but powerful gel that has unique formation which allow the dual waveforms to pass effectively through the skin. So you need around 4 to 8 pumps in the areas where you're going to be treating. So now I want to show you what my skin looked like before I started using the device and me trying the device for the first time. So before I do some close-ups to show you what my skin is like, I just want to go through a few things. So I'm 47, I'm going to be 48 in July. I've never had any injectables, no Botox filler or anything like that. Obviously I'm heading towards 50, I am aging, I'm noticing fine lines are developing on my forehead, around my eyes here, particularly if I'm wearing a lot of makeup and I'm smiling. I notice in photos and I got the lines there. I'm noticing just little lines are becoming more prominent and I'm getting a little bit jowly. I could do with losing a couple of stone in weight, so I'm not expecting the ZIIP Halo to get rid of this. If it can give me a little bit of definition on the chin area, brilliant, but I'm not expecting miracles because it's not going to help me lose weight, essentially, is it? But if it can firm up a little bit, then yeah, bonus. I've got polycystic ovary syndrome and adenomyosis and an underactive thyroid. They've played havoc with my skin over the years. I've suffered really badly all through my life, basically, since I was about 11 with acne. It is sort of under control now, but still, as you can tell, they are cropping up on my chin. It's hormonal. So I'm trying to do things to try and improve my skin that way. Let's zoom you in and do some facial movements so that we compare at the end of the video. Starting off with my forehead. Around my mouth area, to the side, I'll take some photos as well so I can have a good comparison. Okay, so trying the ZIIP Halo for the first time. Start guide in here. There's lots of information in the booklet, but this is so handy to start things up. So following the information here, I've got clean, dry skin. I apply 4 to 8 pumps of the gel to my face and I apply it to the areas that I'm going to be concentrating on. So the forehead, the cheeks here, and my jaw on my chin. I want to put 8 first. If I feel it's too much, then I'll use less next time. All over my forehead. When I click start, it will light up and I'll have 2 minutes to do the first side. I start with the chin, moving up and out until I hear a vibration, and that means I move on to the cheek, and then until I hear a vibration, and then forehead I push upwards, and then I repeat the process. You might not be able... Oh, you can hear it there. Okay, so making sure the pads are touching my chin. Oh, yeah, I felt a vibration. Ooh, and there. It's really weird. Oh my gosh. Yeah, okay. It feels odd. It does feel really odd. I don't know if you can hear the vibration. It tingles on my cheeks. It's like little elastic bands sort of snapping me. It's not uncomfortable at all. The ZIIP comes pre-programmed with a 4-minute lift-in treatment plan. Once your 4 minutes is up, it will beep again and then it'll turn off automatically. I'm not expecting you to be like, wow, your face looks completely different, Claire. But I just wanted to show you exactly what it looks like afterwards and the redness and things like that. But yeah, I would say it's more sensitive around here, my cheeks here. And it was a little bit sensitive here, but around here is where my skin is thinnest because of years of acne and scarring, so that might be the reason there. What I love about the ZIIP Halo is that it also comes with an app. You can download it from Google and Apple Store. You will see many different treatment plans, and there's also a how-to guide created by the founder of the ZIIP Halo, Melanie Simon. There are treatments for jowls, treatments for lips, to lift, to contour, acne prevention, and more, ranging from between 2 minutes to 12 minutes, depending on what you go for. There's something for everyone on the app. So to access the app, obviously after downloading it, you need to apply your conductive gel to your face, select your treatment choice, turn on your device, and it will sync and beep 3 times to let you know that you're good to go. Press play to begin, and then you just follow what the video shows you. Through the use of the app, you gain access to clinic level facials created with over 20 years of professional expertise. So some things to be mindful of. Hair can interfere with conductivity. So if, like me, you have quite a hairy face, I have polycystic ovary syndrome. So not too bad here. I have got fine downy hair, which I find using the ZIIP Halo, it doesn't affect it whatsoever, but I do have quite a hairy chin, which I pluck regularly. They do recommend to remove the hair prior to using the device. The device can also be used alongside injectables, and if you have retinol in your skincare, the advice is not to apply it on the same day as you use the device. It's normal to experience some redness afterwards, but this will gradually disappear. It's not to be used if you're pregnant, if you're under 18, if you have cancer, a pacemaker fitted, if you're subject to seizures, and don't apply on broken, swollen or inflamed skin, like broken capillaries. So I have got some broken capillaries on my cheeks anyway here. Initially in my first trial tester video, I did go over my cheeks, but that was the first and last time I did. Now, how often should you use it then? They recommend using it no more than 5 times a week, between 3 to 5. Obviously, if you're going to use it 5 times a week, then you're going to notice improvements a lot quicker. You can notice changes instantly, but the longer you do it, then these results last longer. The lifted, more glowing skin will last longer. They give around 4 to 6 weeks before you notice a really marked improvement. And through their trials, 100% of participants noticed an improvement after 6 weeks. Even on the Current Body website where you can purchase the ZIIP Halo, 99% of nearly 500 reviews would recommend this device to their friends. As far as cleaning it goes, you need to keep it away from water and just use a lint-free cloth just to remove the excess gel. The cost of the device is £379. As mentioned, you can purchase the ZIIP Halo on Current Body website. Shipping is available worldwide. There's free shipping within the UK, and they offer different payment schemes as well. For instance, you can opt to pay over 24 months at £16.84 through Klarna. Now, they have given me a code which will entitle you to receive 15% off the device, and that works out to be £56.85 off. And also the code can be used on the conductive gels. To buy this gel separately off the Current Body website, it costs you £30. They do have other conductive gels that contain active ingredients, so there's a few to choose from. If you're interested in the ZIIP Halo for yourself, then you will find a link to it down below in my description, as well as my code and some extra information about the product, and I'll put a link to the app as well. If you're thinking of purchasing the device, then maybe looking at the app first, looking at all the different treatment plans and everything, maybe that will help help you to see if it's a device for you or not. So my thoughts then, well, I've been testing it for 4 weeks and I've been testing it 5 times a week. So the maximum amount. I've been doing different treatments just to see what they like. But as you will see from my last video I did yesterday, I've sort of developed my own routine. I love the lift, the one that comes pre-programmed with the device anyway, you know, doing the jaw, the cheek and the forehead. But as you can see, I've got some acne, particularly on my chin area. I do like to concentrate on those areas as well. My biggest issues was acne and lymphatic drainage. I've got really puffy face. I have got inflammation in the body. I've had blood tests recently, shows I have got some inflammation. I do have a puffy face a lot of the time. Since using this device, I've noticed that my spots are healing super fast. The redness is toned right down. They're just the big sore cystic type spots that I have normally on my chin. That hasn't happened this month. I have got quite a few spots, little ones, but they haven't developed fully. I haven't changed up my skincare or anything. I wanted to keep it pretty simple, just so that obviously the main focus is seeing if this ZIIP is worthwhile for me or not. And yeah, I've noticed it's calmed them down and they're healing faster. So at the minute now, I've still got quite a few on my chin here, but they're flat and they're not so angry red looking. As I mentioned at the start of the video, I'm 47. I'm going to be 48 in July. I've never had Botox, never had fillers. Having the ability to test a device like this out that contains both nano and microcurrents, I was really, really excited. Obviously, being a woman of a certain age, I have got fine lines developing. Thankfully, not deep set lines yet, but in the short time I've had with this device so far, I am really, really impressed. Besides the acne, what I'm noticing, and I need actually my husband to take really unflattering photos of me. You know, the type of photos that people catch you off guard. Not the ones that, you know, we take of ourselves, we've got a selfie, we know our angles, don't we? But the ones where you don't know someone's taken of you and you could be like doing a funny face or whatever. But those are the ones that really show how puffy my face looks and how small my eyes look. So I'm going to ask him to take some really unflattering photos of me. So then I can compare them. And if I'm brave enough, I'll post them up on Instagram. But hopefully in this video, you're able to see that my face has slimmed down a little bit. I'm noticing more here. Not so much here, like I'm overweight. I am overweight by a couple of stone. So I know I'll have to go on a diet to be able to get rid of most of the double chin. But it's the puffiness and just here, which I wanted to concentrate more of. And I've just noticed I've got more of a jaw. And here, like at the start of the video, especially when I look down, you can see my jowls developing. You can see them sort of hanging. It sounds awful, doesn't it? But they were sort of hanging, but they're not now. Yeah, I still got them. I'm being careful because I got makeup on my face. But no, I just feel like they are shrinking a little bit. I am really impressed and I'm really grateful that I was sent this to try, and yeah, I'm really happy that it actually works and I'm able to share with you. I would love to know if you've tried it though, your experience. I'd love to know, so please comment down below. So thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll be doing little short videos on YouTube over the next, say, couple of months or so, just to give you updates of how my skin is looking, continuing using this device. So yeah, so take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.